Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the literature portion, but today we will discuss the grammar portion, the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is adverb and its kind. Dear students, in the previous class, in class 2, we have read this topic, adverb. Okay? Here in class 4 we have to also read this topic that is very important, that is adverb and its kind. Dear students, you all know that what is an adverb. An adverb is an action describing word. Action describing word. Suppose that any action you know, verb, by which we can the word that denotes the work, that is known as action. For example, run, play, eat, play, run, write, reading. These are what? These are action words. Okay? So here, what is an adverb? The adverb is a word that describes the action. Therefore, it is also known as action describing word. Okay? And it also qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb in the given sentence. Okay? So just put students, just open your notebook and write down what is an adverb. An adverb is an action describing word. Okay? Just write down. Just put the heading adverb or definition of adverb. What is an adverb? Just put the heading adverb. It is also written in your book. An adverb is an, just write down, an adverb is an action describing word. Action describing. Okay, so just write down. Action describing. It is visible, I think. Yes. An adverb is an action describing word. Is an action describing word. It describes how. It describes how the action is done. How the action is done. D-O-N-E. Okay, students, just write down. An adverb is an action describing word. An adverb is an action describing word. It describes that how the action is done. It describes how the action is done. कि कोई काम कैसे हो रहा है वो कौन डिस्क्राइब करता है? Adverb. Okay? For example, we can say write. Write is a what? Verb, that is action. Suppose that I want to describe this action write. Write beautifully or neatly. The word neatly qualifies this word, this verb, this action word, modifies this action word. Therefore, that is an adverb. Okay? It describes the action. How does she write? She writes neatly. Okay, students? So, the word neatly is what? An adverb. Okay, students? So, just write down the example. We will write the example. We can see example. Just see the example first. She runs fast. Now, students, as the definition says that is an adverb is an action describing word. Just find out what is an action in this sentence. The word run is an action. Okay, the word runs is an action in this sentence, and the action has been described with this word. How does she run? She runs fast. Okay, how does she run? She runs fast. It describes the action, that how the action is taking place, how the action is done. Okay, students, here the word run is action word, and the word run has been modified with the word fast. So here the word fast is a word. The word fast is adverb. The word fast is adverb in this sentence. Okay? Another example we can see. She fights. He fights bravely. Bravely. Okay, students, in this sentence, the word bravely describes the action fight. How does he fights? He fights bravely. Okay, in this sentence, the word bravely describes the quality of this action word, that is fight. Okay, students, so I hope that you all have understood what is an adverb. Adverb is an action describing word. It describes that how the action is done. Okay, so just write down the definition with example. An adverb is an action describing word. It describes how the action is done. For example, she runs fast. In this sentence, the word fast is what? An adverb. He fights bravely. In this sentence, the word bravely is an adverb. Okay, students? So now just put the heading kinds of adverb. There are so many kinds, but in your book you have to read only 6 kinds, 5 kinds that is given in your book. Okay, students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have understood. Just see, students, put the heading kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. Okay, kinds of adverb. You put the heading kinds of adverb. There are so many kinds, but you will write only that is given in your book. Adverb of time. That is adverb of time. Okay? Just write down first adverb of time. Second, adverb of place. Adverb of place. Okay? Third, write down adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Fourth, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. And the fifth, that is adverb of number. Adverb of number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Okay, students, just see. Adverb of numbers. These are the kinds that is given in your book. That is adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of numbers. Okay, students, these are the kinds which is given in your book that you have to read in detail. So now we will discuss one by one all these kinds of adverb. Okay students, you write it in your notebook. These kinds of adverb: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of number. Okay, so just put the heading adverb of time. Yes students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. Just put the heading first, adverb of time. First heading, put the heading adverb of time. Adverb of time. It shows the time of an happening and action. Yes students, the word adverb of time denotes the action of a time. Time of an action. When the action is happening. Okay, adverb of time tells us the time of an action. How, when the action is happening. It gives the answer of the question when. Yes students, adverb of time gives the answers of the question when. When the action is taking place, we can get the answer that is adverb of time. Okay, and adverb of time give the answer of the question when an action is taking place. Okay, so just put the heading adverb of time and write about it. Just see what is it. Shows the time of, it shows the time, it shows the time of the happening you see, it shows the time of the happening of an action. You see, it shows the time of the happening of an action. It answers the question when. It answers the question it answers the question what? When. It answers the question when. W-H-E-N. Okay, you see what is adverb of time? It shows the time of an action, time of happening an action. When the action is happening, it answers the question when. Okay, for example, you can write. Dear students, there are so many words that we use as an adverb of time. Daily, every day. Okay? Tomorrow, yesterday. It tells what? It tells the time. Now, then. Okay? These words are what? Adverb of time. Daily. These are what? Adverb of time. You see? Example. You can write example. First, they came here daily. They came here daily. D-A-I-L-Y. Okay? He came here daily. Yes, friends? The word daily denotes what? Time. That is also qualifies that verb, that is skill. When, and it also gives the answer of the question when. When did they, there will be they. Okay? When did they come here? They came here daily. In this sentence, the word daily denotes the adverb of time. Okay, students, so just write down. Next, you can write, he will come soon. He will come soon. You see, students, in this sentence, what is an adverb of time? The word soon, and it also qualifies the verb. When will he come? We are getting the answer of the question when. When will he come? He will come soon. The word soon denotes the time of an action. It denotes the time, therefore that is adverb of time. Okay, students? He will come soon. In this sentence, the word soon is what? The word soon is adverb. Okay, students? So just write down. And after completing it, you put the heading, another heading, that is what? Adverb of place. Okay, students? I hope that you all have written it. Therefore, I am going to write adverb of place. Just see, students, adverb of place. Another heading you put, that is adverb of place. ADVERB, adverb of place. PLACE. Okay. Yes, students. Adverb of place denotes the place of an action. Denotes the place of an action. Where an action is taking place. And it gives the answer of the question what? It gives the answer of the question where. Where an action is taking place. It tells what? Adverb of place. Adverb of place indicates the place of an action. Okay? The word near, here, everywhere. Okay? These words we use to denote what? Place. Adverb of place. Okay? Here, there, everywhere, up, down, outside, inside, within, up, down. These are what? These words denotes what? Adverb of place. Okay, students? So just write down about it. Adverb of place. What is adverb of place? It is also given in your book. It tells where. It tells where or at what place. Where or at what place where or at what place an action is done. An action is done. Okay, just see. Adverb of place tells where or at what place an action is done. Adverb of place tells us the place of an action. Okay, where the action is taking place. Just see. It answers the question where. It answers ANSWERS. It answers the question what? Where? WHERA. Okay, just say the sentence. What is adverb of place? It tells where or in what place an action is done. It answers the question where. Okay, for example, I have told you the words inside, outside, up, down, within. everywhere, here, there. These words we use to show adverb of place. Okay, so just write down the example. Right, first example write down. The meeting ended here. The meeting ended here. Yes, friends, in this sentence the word here denote what? In this sentence the word here denotes the place of an action. Okay? Here, what is the action word? That is end. Okay, the meeting ended here. In this sentence, the word here is adverb of place. One more example you can write. Just write down. The boys went upstairs. The boys went upstairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. In this sentence, the word upstairs denotes what? Place of an action. Where do the boys go? The boys, where did the boys go? The boys went upstairs. Okay, students? Here in this sentence, the word upstairs is what? An adverb of place. In this sentence, the meeting ended here. In this sentence, the word here is used as a place of an action. Okay, adverb of place. Okay, students? So, that's all for today. Today we have read the definition of adverb, and in the kinds we have read the adverb of time and adverb of place. In the next class, we will discuss the another kinds of adverb. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.